You might think your car is already cool until you see what these gadgets can do. From turning your dashboard into a futuristic AI system to hidden upgrades that make your car feel straight out of 2030. These are the kind of products that make people say, "Wait, that actually exists." Some of these make driving safer, some make your car look insanely premium, and a few are just so smart you'll wonder why every car doesn't already have them. Today on TechStation, we're counting down 15 next-level car gadgets that are blowing up online right now, and trust me, the last few gadgets get absolutely crazy. If you see something you want, links are waiting in the description. Now let's get into it. Your car drives fine, but at night the interior still feels boring and outdated. Meanwhile, people are turning basic cars into full luxury vibes with one tiny upgrade. These LED cup holder lights completely change the mood inside your car in seconds. Just drop them into your cup holders, and suddenly your interior glows with soft ambient lighting, breathing effects, and color-changing modes that make night drives feel way more premium. No wiring, no tools. Just charge them once with USB and you're good to go. But here's the crazy part. They automatically turn on when your car moves and shut off when you stop, so it feels like a built-in factory feature instead of some cheap accessory. You get 7 colors and multiple lighting modes to match your mood, music, or setup. Before this, your interior felt plain. After this, every nighttime drive feels smoother, cleaner, and more aesthetic. For such a small upgrade, the difference is honestly crazy. You paid for CarPlay, so why are you still plugging your iPhone in every single time you drive? Cables everywhere, slow reconnects, random disconnects right when you need navigation most. This tiny adapter fixes all of it. The Gemlu's wireless CarPlay adapter instantly converts your wired CarPlay into fully wireless. Plug it in once, pair your phone, and every time you start the car, it reconnects automatically before you even leave the driveway. No apps, no setup drama, your maps, calls, music, Siri, everything works exactly like factory CarPlay, just cleaner and faster. But here's the crazy part. It's built with upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tech that makes the connection feel almost instant, even if your phone stays in your pocket the whole drive. Before this, your dashboard felt cluttered and outdated. After this, your car feels smooth, modern, and effortless. Once you switch to wireless CarPlay, going back to cables feels ancient. Your car AC is on full blast, but somehow the back seat still feels like a sauna, or the airflow barely reaches your face, and you're sweating in traffic anyway. This little thing fixes that fast. The Dick Imkey car vent fan clips directly onto your air vent and instantly boosts cold air exactly where you need it. Face, back seat, passengers, pets, wherever the airflow normally sucks. And because it rotates 360 degrees, you can aim the cooling perfectly instead of fighting weak AC vents. But here's the crazy part, it's surprisingly quiet. You barely hear it running, but you definitely feel the difference. Plus, the ambient rainbow lighting makes your interior feel way more modern at night. No batteries, no complicated setup, just plug it into USB and go. Before this, summer driving felt hot and uncomfortable. After this, your car cools faster, feels fresher, and actually becomes enjoyable again. If your AC struggles during hot days, this is one of those cheap upgrades that makes your entire drive better instantly. Ever tried eating lunch in your car or using your laptop parked somewhere and instantly realized there's literally nowhere comfortable to put anything? Food spills, laptop sliding around, phone disappearing between the seats. This fixes all of it. This car desk and organizer combo turns your car into a mini workstation in seconds. Just hook the tray onto your steering wheel and suddenly you've got a stable surface for working, eating, writing, whatever you need. Then when you're done, it folds away neatly without taking up space, and the seat gap organizer keeps your phone, keys, and small items from falling into that annoying black hole beside your seat. But here's the crazy part. The carbon fiber finish actually makes it look like a premium built-in accessory instead of some cheap gadget. Before this, your car was just for driving. After this, it becomes a mobile office, dining space, and organized setup all in one. If you spend a lot of time in your car, this upgrade makes everyday life way easier. Most people don't check their tire pressure until something feels wrong, and by then, you're already risking bad handling, wasted fuel, or a blowout. And those cheap gas station gauges, half the time they're completely inaccurate. This fixes that. The Etten-Wolf T300 gives you insanely precise tire pressure readings in seconds, whether you drive a car, truck, SUV, or RV. So instead of guessing if your tires are safe, you actually know your exact pressure anytime, anywhere. It works in freezing cold, extreme heat, low pressure, high pressure, doesn't matter. This thing stays accurate. But here's the crazy part. It's so durable a car can literally run it over, and it still works perfectly. Plus, the built-in LED light makes checking tires at night ridiculously easy. Before this, tire maintenance felt annoying and uncertain. After this, it becomes a quick 30-second habit that saves money, improves safety, and keeps your car driving smoother. If you own a vehicle, this is one of those small tools that makes a massive difference over time. Your car has one charging port, but somehow everyone's phone is dead at the same time. GPS running, kids charging tablets, dash cam plugged in, and now you're fighting over cables in traffic. This thing fixes all of it. The Joyroom 9-in-1 car charger turns one cigarette lighter into a full charging station for your entire car. Phones, tablets, laptops, dash cams, coolers, air pumps, everything powers at once. And the retractable cables, game changer. No tangled wires hanging everywhere. Just pull, charge, and retract. But here's the crazy part. It fast charges multiple devices at the same time while showing your car battery voltage live, so you actually know if your battery's healthy before it dies unexpectedly. Before this, your car felt messy and underpowered. After this, it feels organized, modern, and ready for road trips. Honestly, if you travel with passengers, gadgets, or kids, this becomes essential the second you use it. Ever had your tire look a little low and you just keep driving hoping it's fine? Yeah, that's how most people end up stuck on the side of the road. This tiny device changes that completely. The Astro AI L7 is a cordless tire inflator you just keep in your car. No cables, no gas station, no waiting. So when your tire drops, you just set the pressure, press one button, and it fills itself and shuts off automatically. You don't even have to think. It works for cars, bikes, motorcycles, even sports balls. But here's the crazy part. It reads pressure 200 times per second, so the accuracy is insanely precise. You always know your tires are actually safe. And it even has a built-in light and can charge your phone in emergencies. Before this, a low tire meant stress and delay. After this, it's just a 2-minute fix and you're back on the road. If you drive, this is the kind of thing that turns panic into confidence instantly. Your dog sliding around the back seat, hair everywhere. Scratches on the doors, and every road trip turns into a cleanup mission. This thing completely changes car rides with dogs. It's a heavy-duty dog car seat cover that turns your entire back seat into a secure dog bed. No gaps, no falling between seats, no ripped-up interior. The hard bottom supports up to 400 pounds, so even big dogs can stretch out comfortably without collapsing the seat cover. And the waterproof leather? Mud, drool, shedding, accidents? Wipe it clean in seconds? But here's the crazy part. The side panels fully protect your doors while still giving your dog space to move around and look outside without feeling trapped. Before this, road trips felt stressful and messy. After this, your car stays clean, your dog stays calm, and every drive feels easier. If you travel with your dog even once a week, This becomes a must-have instantly. Your dashboard tells you almost nothing about what your engine is actually doing, and by the time a warning light appears, it's usually too late. This little screen changes everything. The UliFi X7 plugs straight into your car and gives you real-time performance data while you drive: boost pressure, coolant temp, fuel usage, speed, engine load, all live right in front of you. So instead of guessing if your car is struggling, overheating, or wasting fuel, you actually know what's happening in real time. But here's the crazy part. You can fully customize the entire display: colors, gauges, layout, even your car logo. It looks like a premium digital cockpit upgrade straight from a modern sports car. Before this, driving felt blind. After this, you feel connected to your car every second. If you care about your car even a little, this is the upgrade your dashboard has been missing. Your car looks normal until you realize every ride feels boring. The second the sun goes down, just plain dashboard. No vibe, no mood, nothing. This changes everything. The HMY Ambient lighting kit turns your entire car interior into a full custom light show. Door panels, footwells, dashboard, handles, everything lights up exactly how you want. So now, instead of driving in a dull cabin, you're inside a glowing, premium-looking space that feels straight out of a luxury car. You can change colors anytime from your phone, match your mood, your music, even your driving style. But here's the crazy part. The lights actually sync with your music, pulsing to the beat like your car turned into a nightclub on wheels. Before this, night driving felt basic. After this, every drive feels like an experience. If you want your car to feel expensive without changing the car, this is the upgrade that completely transforms it. Trying to fix something under the hood with your phone flashlight is honestly one of the most frustrating things ever. You can't see anything, your hands are full, and the light never points where you need it. This changes that completely. The SYL Mechanic Work light turns your entire workspace bright like daylight. Stick it under the hood, hang it anywhere, or split it into two handheld lights for different angles. Now you can actually see what you're doing instead of guessing in the dark. And because it's rechargeable, you're not constantly wasting money on batteries. But here's the crazy part. You can turn it on and off just by waving your hand, so even if your hands are covered in grease, you never have to touch the light. It's insanely bright, magnetic, waterproof, and built for real garage work. Before this, repairs felt annoying and exhausting. After this, working on your car feels easier, cleaner, and way more professional. If you touch tools even occasionally, this becomes one of those things you end up using constantly. That little check engine light comes on, and suddenly the repair shop wants hundreds just to diagnose the problem. Meanwhile, you still have no idea what's actually wrong with your car. This scanner changes that completely. The VD70s gives you professional-level diagnostics right from your driveway. Plug it in, connect wirelessly, and instantly check your engine. ABS, battery, sensors, transmission, basically your entire car. So instead of guessing or paying expensive shop fees for simple problems, you can actually see what's happening and fix issues before they become massive repairs. But here's the crazy part. This thing doesn't just read problems. It can actually control parts of your car for testing. Fuel pump, windows, injectors, lights, even advanced system resets. And it works wirelessly from up to 66 feet away. Before this, car problems felt stressful and expensive. After this, you feel like you've got dealership-level tools in your own garage. If you own a car and hate wasting money at repair shops, this thing pays for itself fast. Driving in traffic is stressful enough, but not knowing what's in your blind spots, that's how accidents happen. This smart mirror dash cam fixes that instantly. The A's Dome PG17 Max replaces your regular mirror with a massive touchscreen that records everything in ultra-clear front and rear video, while helping you drive safer every single day. So now instead of guessing during lane changes or reversing, you get real-time alerts for blind spots, lane departures, nearby cars, even potential collisions. But here's the crazy part, it literally talks to you. Just use voice commands to save footage, turn on Wi-Fi, or control features without taking your hands off the wheel. And the video quality? Insane. Crystal clear 4K in the front and sharp rear recording too. So every detail is captured if anything happens. Before this, your car felt basic. After this, it feels smarter, safer, and way more premium. Honestly, this feels less like a dash cam and more like upgrading your entire driving experience. Your car still uses wired CarPlay, that's the problem. Every time you get in, you're plugging cables, dealing with lag, and staring at the same boring screen. This tiny AI box completely upgrades your car in seconds. Just plug in the CB6C once, and now your car has wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube navigation apps, and even an AI assistant built in. So now, instead of messy cables and dead screens, you can watch videos while parked, use voice commands, stream music, open maps instantly, and even talk to ChatGPT while driving. But here's the crazy part. This thing basically turns your car into an Android tablet on wheels. Download apps, connect 4G, LTE, add storage, even track your car in real time. Before this, your car felt outdated. After this, it feels like a brand new luxury upgrade. If your car has CarPlay, this is probably the smartest upgrade you can buy this year. Long car rides with kids or passengers can turn stressful fast. Everybody's bored, asking, "Are we there yet?" every 5 minutes, and your phone battery is dying from trying to entertain them. This changes the entire ride. The Xtron's overhead monitor drops down from your roof and instantly turns your car into a mini theater. Movies, videos, gaming, streaming, all on a huge 11.6-inch screen in crisp 1080p. So instead of chaotic road trips, your passengers stay entertained, quiet, and relax the whole drive. And the ultra-thin design makes it look built into the car, not some bulky old-school screen hanging from the ceiling. But here's the crazy part. It supports HDMI, USB, and AV input, so you can connect almost anything and play whatever you want instantly. Before this, road trips felt exhausting. After this, your car feels premium, modern, and family-ready. If you travel with passengers often, this upgrade changes the entire driving experience. That was 15 insane car gadgets you can actually use in your ride. If any of these caught your attention, you'll find all the product links in the description below. And if you're into smart car upgrades, tech accessories, and next-level gadgets like this, make sure you subscribe to TechStation. We drop new crazy finds all the time. See you in the next one.